Hi guys, so March 9th, about I made a video expecting this big move. I didn't expect it's gonna be that big, but the reason I noticed it was because of the the bouncing between the reversals. So I know this is the same thing as in a seashell or a Fibonacci number where you keep moving up. So people ask me what will happen next in VIX. I'm estimating it's gonna go up all the way to, at least on the weekly level, on the March 20. That's when we have the bigger point. How high is gonna go? Don't know. We might have this pattern over here, or it went way above 70. The reversals on a quarterly basis are 58 something. We might hit that. I never know. Only thing you know that stochastics now are, the blue is over the red line. The yellow is not turning down, so we have at least way until 32 even up. Yeah, it was a good trade. I was sitting on this trade for long, almost half a year, waiting for this move. Again, you can do it on a daily basis, but you can also do it on a larger scope, and we did have a big move, took all these reversals and 3 weeklies. So let me know if you have any questions.